welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa and this is going to be part 1 of decorating our baby's nursery. In this video, you're going to see us assembling the crib, adding the rug, and adding the dresser, and we also have the rocking chair. You can see a little bit of it behind me right now. So first, I want to show you some inspiration pictures that I found off of Pinterest for what I was kind of looking for as far as the nursery goes. So let's look at the mood board. As you can see for this nursery, I really wanted some neutral tones. I really wanted a lot of wood because I love wood and we have that throughout our entire house. My style is mid-century modern and bohemian, and so I really wanted to incorporate those styles into this room because it will flow with the rest of the house. Now that we've got an idea of what I want this room to look like, we're gonna start decorating. Alright guys, a quick update. We have the crib in, it's assembled, and next is the rug, but let me show you really quick what the crib looks like. So this is the crib. It is so pretty, and we're just missing the rug and some decorating obviously around the walls, but I really love this crib. It matches the dresser pretty well. Normally I don't like mixing wood tones like this lighter wash and a darker wash, but I thought it would be cool since we're mixing this wood tone in here. This is like a lighter wood. So yeah, this is the crib and I'm really loving it. So now that we've got the crib in, let's lay down the rug and continue this decorating process. So here's the rug and it's so soft. We actually don't have it centered with the crib because the rocking chair doesn't really rock when it's like halfway on the rug. So we had to move it a little bit, but here it is. Obviously this is not the biggest room ever, so it looks a little bit crammed right there. That looks a little bit awkward, but it works. And then we have the dresser, but I'm really loving it so far. It's super simple, super neutral, which is what I wanted. So far, I'm pretty happy with how everything is turning out. If you're curious, rocking chair is from Target, crib is from Target, the rug is from Target, and the dresser is from Target. Okay guys, that's the end of part 1 of our nursery decorating video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in any of the items, I will try to have them linked down below in the description box. Everything is from Target as far as the big furniture pieces go, and they're a really good deal. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting more baby things on there, as well as you can stay up to date with how big my bump is getting. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel to see part 2 later on when I post it. So stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye.